Hey guys, how are you? It's Summer again here from Summer Sweet Shop with you again for another fun Valentine's Day idea. These Hershey Kiss cookies are super cute and super fun and sure to inspire and impress all of your friends and family. I'm going to show you today how you're going to get this crackle technique, and let's get right to it. So this cookie cutter, this cookie I'm using my exclusive sugar cookie recipe and royal icing recipe, both only found inside my online beginners course, which is my Cookie Academy. They are all linked below for you so you can check them out in the description to learn more. This cookie cutter that I'm using the cookie came from the cookie cutter from Kaleido. It's also linked there below so you can see where to grab it. But the first thing you're going to do once you have cut out your shape is you're going to make gray. Now I always get lots of questions about how I make gray icing, and all I do is I use just a little bit of black. I'm using just a little bit of black gel color to make my gray. So that's what this is here in my bag. I am going to do like a little loop here on the top, and that's just for a little effect. But I'm going to outline my Hershey Kiss. Make sure you go in at that point there and go up. And now I'm going to take my flood icing. So that was my piping icing. Now I'm going to take my flood icing and just flood my Hershey Kiss from the outside, working my way towards the middle, like so. And then you're going to put this in front of a fan. You're either going to put it in front of a fan or a dehydrator because you want it to start to dry. Now, you could just leave it like this and it would be super cute. You could put like a little face on it and it would be adorable. Or if you want to add some texture to this Hershey Kiss, you're going to put it in front of a fan for about 20 minutes. And then you're going to come back, maybe 15, 20 minutes. You're going to come back, and this is what your cookie will look like. And then you're going to take the end of your scribe or something that has a ball into it. So you could use, I'm trying to think what else. You could use a pen, like the top of a pen would work, or the other side of a paintbrush I've used before as well. That works really, really well. But you're just going to take your scribe, your other end, and you're just going to lightly tap, and you're just crushing that icing. So I'm just barely tapping, and it's just cracking, right? So your icing has started to crust over. So you can't wait too long. You only have to wait about 10 or 15 minutes for this to work after it's been drying in front of a fan. So you're just going to crack it. I don't want to disturb the outline icing there because I want it to keep its shape. And so I'm just going to add just very, very gently. And there you have like your little crackle, and it will dry just like that and be solid just like that. Is that not super fun? Now to finish this off, I can't leave you hanging. We got to finish it off. We're going to add our little tag here at the top for our Hershey Kiss, and I'm just using white icing here for it, and white flood icing. And then once that is dry, I'm going to add a little heart. Just going to add like a little heart here, and I'm going to squeeze and pull down. And then I'll squeeze, 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 and pull down for the other side. You can use your scribe then just to kind of mush those together. But when you're done, that's what you have, a cute little Hershey Kiss. Is that not adorable? Super fun. Now, some ways that you can give those to your Valentine is you could use the 3x11 bag. I'll have this listed below in the description so you know right where to get these. But you can just slide them in to a bag. These are super easy to make. Great little Valentine's presents for little ones, for your favorite person. You're just going to drop them in there. Maybe it's someone who loves cookies and they don't care for chocolate. But you could put 3 or 4 in there. It doesn't matter. And then you have your cute little bow from Nashville Wraps. You're going to tie your little pre-tied bow there. And then you have your little Valentine sleeve of Hershey Kisses. Super cute and fun. A fun little activity and easy little cookies to make for your favorite. So love the cookie cutter, and I love teaching you guys that new design. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you joining me today. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can hit the bell button below so that you are notified when any of my new videos drop. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I can't wait to see you next time.